Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function context and data modeling. Let's solve this one together. Mobile app sessions question. A mobile app company tracks the number of sessions users engage in each month. Which function best describes this increase? T is given in terms of months, and the data is 0 through 4, and S of T is the sessions, 10,000 through 28,561. So to solve this kind of questions, we're going to substitute the given values for the T, and we'll look for the value of S of T. So when I substitute 0 for T, I'm supposed to get 10,000. So that works for the choice A, because 3,000 times 0 is 0 and plus 10,000 is 10,000. And choice B, 1.3 to the power of 0 is 1, and that gives you 10,000. 1.3 to the power of 1 is 1 again. 0 is 1, so 10,000 works. But this is 0 times 13,000 gives you 0. That's why it's not the data we're looking for. Therefore we eliminate the choice D. What about when you give 1 to T? So we're supposed to get 13,000. So 1 times 10,000 plus 10,000, yes, that works. 1.3 to the power of 1 times this works. And 1.5 to the power of 1 is 1.5. Multiplied by 10,000 gives you 15,000, not the 13,000. Therefore, we eliminate the choice C as well. What about giving 2 to T? If I will substitute 2 for T, 2 times 6,000, 3,000 is 6,000 plus 10,000 is 16,000, but I was looking for 16,900. Therefore, this doesn't work, and I eliminate the choice A as well. But 1.3 to the power of 2 times the power 2 is 1.69. When you multiply that by 10,000, you will get 16,900. It works. So the correct choice is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.